Robots are working hard in Eugene, and that's a good thing. They're making our city safer by doing jobs that are dangerous or even impossible for human staff. Here are 3 examples of operator-controlled devices that the City of Eugene uses to increase efficiency, save tax dollars, and improve the quality of life in our community. Crawling through miles of underground pipes, Eugene's so-called sewer bots are looking for cracks, leaks, and other signs of failure in wastewater and stormwater lines. Many of these lines are only 6 or 8 inches in diameter, far too small for a person to squeeze into.
Here in the Public Works Division of the City of Eugene, we have 2 full-time CCTV vans that inspect 1,300 miles of sanitary sewer and stormwater pipes. These need to be periodically inspected so that they function correctly and convey both stormwater and wastewater to the river and the wastewater treatment plant. This is critical infrastructure that needs to be periodically maintained.
The bomb robot is used by the Metro Explosive Disposal Unit in situations where things might go boom.
The Eugene Metro Explosive Disposal Unit is a multi-jurisdictional team made up of officers from the Eugene Police Department and the Lane County Sheriff's Office. We respond to about 150 calls a year, and on many of those calls we use our robots, which we have 2 of, to take care of tasks that would ordinarily place a human being or an officer in harm's way. Some of our robotic equipment is funded from grants from the Homeland Security. It helps us have more equipment. Also, it allows us to respond to more situations. We respond with the SWAT team to hostage negotiation, barricaded subject calls. We can also use the robot to enter hazardous environments where someone wouldn't be safe to go downrange and deal with the problem that way. Having robots and being able to use those instead of having to go downrange personally into a dangerous situation, it makes our job easier and keeps the community safer.
Look, up in the sky, it's a quadricopter. City building inspectors have recently begun using a small video-equipped toy helicopter to view the few cases where construction is out of reach or dangerous to inspect at the job site. This makes their inspections faster and easier for everyone.
Well, what we have here today is our operator-controlled device. It's a quadricopter, and it houses 2 cameras, one that looks forward, one that looks downward, and we use this as an inspection tool here in the Planning and Development Department, in our inspection department. It is operated by the Nexus pad, which gives me 2 operating modes there for piloting the device. It allows me to increase its altitude. I can rotate that for the forward camera, and I have, of course, forward, backward, side-to-side operation on this. The reason we have this here is that there are times when we may not have real good access or the safety devices that we need to get onto a roof, or sometimes a contractor can't meet us in a timely fashion in order to give us access to look at mechanical equipment on a roof. This, we can just launch it from virtually any location. We can fly over the top of a building and see what we need to see in order to make good, accurate inspections. We do that only with prior approval from the contractor and on commercial buildings only. And it's been utilized in a couple of locations already, and with the practice of each of the inspectors, they're getting more and more proficient with it all the time.
As the City of Eugene continues finding ways to be innovative in providing services, it's likely that we'll see even more sophisticated tools and machines, including remote-controlled and computer-controlled robots. It's not science fiction. It's how quality municipal services are delivered efficiently in the 21st century.